guy's selling it somewhere.
Wow! 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 Look at that little girl. She looks like a little princess in the middle of all those birds. It's like she's the bird caller, bird whisperer.
Well, where's the food at?
Well, I don't know if...
Go over there. Where do you buy it? All right, now just squat down. You dropped them all already? You're supposed to feed them off your hand. Just, yes. Just feed them out of your hand.
Oh, in front of the flag.
Just put your hand out. No, down. Oh my gosh, woman. They will pick up. No, just leave. Just put your hand all the way down. Honey, you can't move your hands around. You gotta put it down on the ground. No, the back of your hand on the ground. There you go. Oh my gosh. You can wash it off. Just sprinkle a little bit.
You want to do it?
Look at this.
Oh, this is so cool. If I throw near you, they're coming.
Got some rice.
Hold on, let me get you. Well, now we know. Here, let me get you in front of the flag. What an experience, you all. I was a little worried I was gonna get like pecked or something, but what an experience. This makes Rob and I feel like we're 5 again. Wow. Look, I'm sitting on my can. Awesome.
So remember, we gotta buy some rice.
Okay.
Back.
Also,
Thank
thank you. Shukriya.
We'll get some rice coming back.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Look at this, you guys. Here in Mali, in the Maldives. My husband always says, act like you've been here before, but man, I love it. You guys, this is the most isolated and most beautiful place we've ever seen. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I was just a tiny, on a 10 scale of 2, disappointed with the food, and I thought, whew. And then I found some food, so you can keep me isolated. This is like our Blue Lagoon. Remember that movie Blue Lagoon with Brooke Shields? This is it. I thought it was Bora Bora, but whoo, it's here. And don't worry, I'm not trying to move here, anybody. We've already found where we want to be. But this is pretty cool. Look at all the vibrant colors. Well, there's nose pickers everywhere in Asia. I mean, everywhere. I'm sorry, you guys. You know it. I'm like Eminem. I'm just saying what everybody else is thinking. So there are a ton of nose pickers. They're everywhere, but I've never seen so much nose picking as I have. Right?
Why don't you just say it loud enough for them to hear you?
You know what? They walk up to me picking their nose. It's like, whoa. But anywho, you all, this is Male in the Maldives. All right, we'll come back to you later. As always, we're wishing you health, wealth, and longevity. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Please hit that subscribe, like, comment, hit that bell. And don't forget to join me for my 28-day challenge. Deuces.